Hello friends, this week for science we are going to be learning about Earth Day. So today you guys are going to be listening to me read this Scholastic article out loud. It is called Bye Bye Bottle and it says, "Come along with me. You put a bottle in the recycling bin, what will happen to it?" So that is our first question. What do you think is going to happen when you put a bottle into the recycling bin? And you guys, when you're in the classroom, normally there's a recycling bin that we put our bottles and our plastic and our cardboard, paper, we put all that in there so that it can be reused. So we're going to read this article today, and then you guys are going to be answering some questions about it. So here are the pictures, and I'm going to post pictures of the article for you guys on the PowerPoint, so you can go back and read it on your own if you would like. But I'm going to go ahead and record this video of the read aloud first so you guys can listen to it. It says, "First it goes on a truck. A truck lifts up the bin. It dumps everything into the truck. Plastic bottles, metal cans, and glass tumble in together. Your bottle falls in too. Follow that bottle." So here's the picture of the bottle was in the trash can, and then it's being dumped into the truck. Sorry, it's hard to point. There you go. It says follow the bottle. Here's my ride. And next we're going to read this yellowish orange part. Next, it goes into a pile. The truck goes to a recycling center. It dumps everything into one big pile. A front loader pushes it all together. Now there is room for more bottles, cans, and glass. Follow that bottle. So it says, I am over here. The bottle is in that big pile of trash. Then it gets sorted. A conveyor belt takes your bottle to a special room. It's the sorting room. Your bottle gets put into a pile with other plastic bottles. Follow that bottle. And last, it gets smashed. A machine smashes all the plastic bottles into big cubes. The cubes are sent to factories, and the factories recycle the plastic. They turn it into something new. Bye-bye, bottle. And then at the bottom it says, I wonder, what will my bottle be turned into? Plastic bottles can be melted to make new things. Here are some of those things. So a plastic bottle can be melted down to make more bottles, new bottles. It can be melted down to make different types of toys. A plastic bottle can be melted down to make a plastic tub, or even jackets. The plastic in the jacket is the puffy filling. And then on the back, there's a little activity that says reuse it. You can recycle some things. You can reuse other things. That means you can use them again and again. That makes a lot less trash. And it says to circle which one you can use over and over again. So there's different pictures. And if this is something you guys want to try to do at home, you can. I'll post a picture in the slideshow so you can look at it and try this activity at home. So there's a lunch bag, a water bottle, a towel, a plate. There is a shopping bag and a drinking cup. And it says to circle the ones that you can use over and over again. All right, so you guys are going to be answering some questions about this article. I just read it out loud. If you need to listen to it a few times to go back and find answers, you can. But you guys are going to watch this video and then answer the questions about recycling.